The Hyperboost AI and Data Consulting Company. The best path are new and untried. Billionaire Peter Thiel, Facebook first investor, makes a compelling point in his book Zero to One. He says, doing what we already know takes the world from one to n. But every time we create something new, we go from zero to one. He also emphasizes that today's best practices often lead to dead ends. The best path are those that are new and untried. For tech founders in the AI and data consulting company, this insight has a clear implication. Copying or simply improving what the big consulting firms are doing won't drive real growth. If you are just following in their footsteps, that is, hiring top talents and hoping to win RFPs or job bids, you will find yourself stuck in the same old cycle. The power of specialization. It's very tempting for tech founders of small to medium sized AI and data consulting companies to diversify like the big players. You might think that offering services to all possible industry where AI and data skills are valuable is the way to grow. But here's the secret. The most successful AI and data consulting companies didn't start that way. Companies like EY, PwC, KPMG, and Deloitte began as accounting firms, then gradually expanded into AI and data consulting. Trying to copy them now won't get you ahead. It's almost impossible to outdo them at their own game. Let's break it down with a simple formula. Profitable consulting is equals to AI and data skills plus industry knowledge. We both know that AI and data skills are truly impactful when applied to solve specific industry problems. For your AI and data consulting company to be truly profitable, your team needs to excel in both AI skills and deep industry expertise. Most of your consultants already have strong AI and data skills, but many lack deep specific industry knowledge. The key is for each consultant to focus on mastering how to solve specific industry problems. Why specialization wins? In short, the winning strategy for a small to medium sized AI and data consulting company is to have specialized consultants. Consultants who become the best in one industry and offer unmatched expertise. To illustrate, let's step away from AI and data and look at the medical field. Imagine a patient seeking treatment for a serious illness. This patient has two options. Dr. A general practitioner with a broad knowledge base, and Dr. B, a specialist in treating this specific illness. Which doctor do you think the patient will choose? Clearly, Dr. B. That is the power of specialization. In a competitive AI and data consulting market, just having the skills isn't enough. You need to specialize in solving specific problems for specific industries. The comparison below illustrates the difference between a skill-based approach, which is conventional, and an industry-based approach, the hyperboost. In a conventional AI and data consulting company, the approach is skill-based consultant, where an employee can offer AI and data services in industry 1, 2, or as many industries as possible. While in the Hyperboost AI and data consulting company, the approach is industry-based consultants, where each employee offers their AI and data services to one industry only. Let's compare the conventional AI and data consultant with the Hyperboost AI and data consultant across these following factors. 1. Approach. For the conventional AI and data consultant, he or she solves different problems across various industries. For the Hyperboost AI and data consultant, he or she solves a similar problem within a single industry. Expertise. In the conventional approach, broad expertise across multiple industries, offering versatile solutions. While in the Hyperboost approach, deep expertise in one industry with highly tailored solutions. Reputation. In the conventional approach, reputation varies across industry with broader but less focused recognition, while in the hyperboost approach, strong reputation and credibility within a specific industry. Innovation. There is cross-industry innovation applying ideas from one sector to another in the conventional approach, While in the hyperboost approach, there is that incremental innovation focused on refining solutions within one industry. Operational efficiency. In the conventional approach, more adaptable operations, but potentially less streamlined due to a varied industry demands. While in the hyperboost approach, highly efficient with streamlined processes tailored to one industry. Growth. In the conventional approach, it is difficult to automate at scale, while in the hyperboost approach, it is easy to automate at scale. And finally, risk. Lower risk due to diversified industry, though may lack deep specialization in any sector in the conventional approach. While in the hyperboost approach, the risks of over-reliance on one industry, which may be vulnerable to market changes. The borrowed company structure. As a tech founder of a small to medium-sized AI and data consulting company, do any of these scenarios sound familiar? 1. Consultants are on the bench and still on payroll, but you can't help it due to constant bid rejections. 2. Consultants on assignments complain they don't feel motivated. The projects aren't exciting or engaging. The marketing and sales department is doing their best but struggling to secure new AI and data consulting deals. If these scenarios resonate with you, don't worry, you are not alone. These challenges are common in many AI and data consulting companies. When you dig into the root causes, you will find they often stem from how most small to medium sized AI and data consulting companies are structured. Traditionally, it is typical for consulting companies to be organized by skills, as illustrated below: marketing and sales, engineering, human resources, etc. While these departments do interact, they often operate independently. The marketing and sales team is out there sending out messages to every possible industry, and the consultants are working on assignments from any industry that comes their way. The underlying belief is we are an AI and data consulting company with a talented team. So let's go for it. We can do it all in every industry. This conventional structure might seem like a safe bet, but it's often the reason behind the challenges mentioned earlier. When your company tries to be everything to everyone, it ends up lacking focus and effectiveness. Your consultants aren't motivated because they are not specializing in solving specific problems, and your marketing efforts fall flat because the message isn't tailored to a specific audience. Here is the fundamental structure of a conventional AI and data company. The hyperboost company structure. If you take a closer look at any successful AI and data consulting company, you will notice a common pattern in how they began. A core, self-sustaining team with a mix of necessary skills, engineering, marketing, sales, etc., focus on solving a specific industry problem using a unique mechanism. This approach works exceptionally well because the team concentrates on one challenge, continuously improving their solution until they master it. Once the team develops a unique solution framework that effectively addresses the industry problem, expanding and replicating that framework in other industries becomes much easier. By adopting and replicating this structure, you can transform your traditional AI and data consulting company into a hyperboost enterprise. Hyperboost AI and data consulting companies have a distinct advantage over larger competitors because they foster innovation, creativity, agility, and rapid growth, all essential ingredients for success in today's fast paced market. The hyperboost structure, as illustrated below, promotes a unique solution framework that can be adapted to different industry and executed at the niche level by self-sustaining teams. These teams possess all the necessary skills to go to the market and address the most pressing problems of customers in their specific niche. By focusing on specialized niches with tailored solutions, Hyperboost companies not only streamline operation but also create a more motivated and engaged workforce. Here is the fundamental structure of a Hyperboost AI and data consulting company. To better understand the advantages of Hyperboost structure, consider the following comparison between a conventional AI and data company and a Hyperboost AI and data company. Factor grouping. In a conventional AI and data company, organized by skills leading to a generalized approach where teams work on various tasks across multiple industry. While in a hyper-boost AI and data company, it is organized by industry, niche, or specific use cases, resulting in deep specialization and focused problem solving within a single industry or niche. Marketing and sales. In the conventional AI and data company, the broad diluted message result in low resonance with target audiences, making it harder to attract and retain customers. While in the Hyperboost AI and data company, the tailored niche specific message leads to high resonance with the target market audience, making it easier to convert leads and build customer loyalty. Growth. The diversity of solutions and lack of repeatable approach makes it difficult to automate and scale, leading to slower, resource-intensive growth for conventional AI and data companies. While for Hyperboost AI and data company, specialization and repeatable solution approach that makes it easy to automate and scale, driving rapid growth with streamlined operations. Innovations. The conventional approach generalizes innovation aimed at a broad audience can spread resources too thin, leading to less impactful outcomes. While in the hyperboost approach, focused innovation driven by specific industry needs result in a more impactful solution that create a competitive edge. Financial stability. Multiple but inconsistent revenue stream due to broad service range can lead to volatile financial stability. While in a hyperboost AI and data company, concentrated but stable revenue from deep niche engagement ensures stronger financial stability with predictable recurring income. Lastly, risk. The broad focus makes the company vulnerable to disruption by niche focused startups, increasing exposure to competition. While in the hyperboost AI and data company, the deep specialization within niches makes the company very difficult to disrupt, providing resilience against market changes and competition. When you adopt the hyperboost structure within your company, it naturally leads to role transformations and the emergence of new, highly specialized roles. Let's explore the three key roles that drive this innovative framework. One, Innovation Director. The Innovation Director is the visionary leader for the specific industry that the company aims to target. This role demands deep this role demands deep domain expertise in the chosen industry, be it in life sciences, manufacturing, aviation, or another sector, and a comprehensive understanding of the company's unique solution framework. The innovation director is responsible for 1. Identifying new niche markets, discovering untapped niche markets within the industry where the company's solution framework can be applied most effectively. 2. Talent acquisition, recruiting and assembling top talents to tackle challenges within this niche market. 3. Progress tracking, monitoring the performance of the team to ensure the solution meets market demands and achieves a solid product market fit. Funding allocation, strategically releasing funding to niches based on demonstrated progress and potential for growth. 2. Growth consultant. The growth consultant is the driving force behind the success of a niche market within a specific industry. This role requires both technical expertise and a deep understanding of the niche market. Equally important is the knowledge of how the company's unique solution framework can address problems in this niche. The growth consultant's responsibilities include tailored business model design, crafting a customized business model that aligns with the solution framework for the specific niche. Customer development, leading efforts in customer acquisition and retention, ensuring the solution framework not only meets but exceeds client expectation. Agile solution development, continuously refining and adapting the solution framework to respond to the evolving needs of customers within the niche. 3. Consultant. The consultant is a technical expert focused on executing the solution framework within the specific niche. Specializing in a particular niche, consultants are expected to bring passion and precision to their work, driving better outcomes and higher client satisfaction. Their in-depth knowledge of the industry ensures that they deliver solutions that truly resonate with the needs of the market. This strategic approach positions your company to compete not only with small to medium sized firms, but also with industry giants. Rather than diluting your efforts across various industries, you concentrate your resources where they will make the most impact, leading to accelerated growth, groundbreaking innovations, and a more robust market presence. Conclusion: transforming your conventional AI and data consulting company into a hyper-boost AI and data consulting company requires a complete paradigm shift from the traditional methods you may have been taught. Merely enlightening you with this approach isn't enough. You need the right resources to guide you through this transformation. That is why I have developed the AI and Data Business Innovation and Growth Marketing Framework, a comprehensive guide that outlines the four golden laws for successfully transforming your company. It is straightforward. Grab your free copy by using the link in the video description.